Hi, I'm Brian Hollers with Root Cause. I'm a certified arborist. My company installs Porous Pave, and today we're in Greenwood neighborhood of Seattle, Washington. We were asked to install Porous Pave in 3 tree pits because the 3 tree pits on this block were creating a lot of trip hazards. Tree pits often create trip hazards when the material sits below the edge of the sidewalk. The business down here had a regular meeting of visually impaired people, and a lot of people were coming with visual impairments, and we're walking through this area, and there were a number of incidents where people tripped and fell in the tree pits because you had a drop off, a gap of about 3 inches between the edge of the concrete and the soil below. And so we're installing a compacted gravel base and then porous pave on top of it. The porous pave material, which is porous, but it's hardened, so it's ADA compliant. You can walk across it, you can run your walker or wheelchair across it, and it eliminates the trip hazard. The material is porous, so water goes through and it helps the trees live and thrive. Porous pave is a good solution to this problem because not only is it porous in that water can pass through it and can keep the trees alive and healthy, the surface hardens and it becomes ADA compliant, so you can walk across it, you can run wheelchairs across it, ladies in high heels can walk across it, and it's a perfect solution for this circumstance. So the process of installing porous pave started by removing a couple inches of loose soil that was on the surface. We install a layer of 1 to 2 inches of gravel that we compact, and now we're mixing the porous pave material that we're going to place on top with trowels and compact it by hand. Let it dry until tomorrow, and the surface will be walkable. We combine pre-measured amounts of rubber, rock, and glue, turn them in a mortar mixer for about a minute, put the material into a wheelbarrow it over, dump it into the tree pit, smooth it out, and then finally compact it with a hand trowel. Then it will typically be completely dry within 24 hours. This material is called Porous Pave, PorousPaveInc.com. It's ADA compliant, it comes in a multitude of colors, and it's great for tree roots.